Welcome to this tutorial on the GameMaster AI plugin suite. Today we'll look at the game design assistant modules, mechanic remixer uh, chat option. So basically, we created the mechanic system in the previous design lenses. We highlighted that and we had a critical look at the methodology of design lenses. We had a look at the mechanics and systems of the educational game that we are supposed to be building. So we copy that. We turn on the mechanic remixer, use the mechanic remixer functionality for the following game mechanics brief. I guess so. We delete all of this and use again. We provide the prompt. Use the following brief to create to suggest suitable mechanics for our story based educational game for middle schoolers. Now we got copy and paste the content. Then we click on generate. Now it is generating. It will take some time. So the generation has finished. So so there are text formatting and narrative. They suggest two pairing, AutoMap rendering, and a remixer. It suggests a couple of mechanics for the game. So we will be sharing this in the video description, so you can look up. Thank you for seeing for being here, and we welcome you to our follow next tutorial. Thank you.